What's up guys, my name is Fran and welcome back to the channel, and this is my first look at the brand new Google Pixel 4 XL. So there has been an absolute plethora of video reviews released on this phone in the last couple of days to YouTube. I just got mine, well, about 2 to 3 hours ago. However, that's not going to discourage me from bringing you guys my initial thoughts and opinions on this device. Okay, so just so you guys know where I'm coming from, up until this point, my day-to-day phone has actually been the brand new Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. And since that phone has just also recently been released, before that I was rocking the iPhone XS Max. And since I do have a complicated love-hate relationship with Android, I always have sort of a side phone that I use exclusively for YouTube, and that phone has been, up until now, the Pixel 3a. So considering that I was coming from that much smaller Android screen, when first taking the Pixel 4 out of the box, it was a massive jump in both image quality as well as screen size. Another thing I immediately noticed when taking the phone out of the box was actually the fit and finish. Now there's something I kept hearing about in a bunch of the reviews, the fact that it's made of this matte material, but it's really nothing you can kind of describe until you actually get it in your hands. It feels absolutely awesome, and it seems like it's really solidly constructed. It almost feels like I don't need a case at all. Now of course, one of the most talked about features of the Google Pixel 4 XL is actually its new radar system. Now this radar system enables a bunch of really cool proximity effects, such as hand gestures, as well as its all-new face unlock. Now I haven't done any type of in-depth comparison between the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the Pixel 4 XL when it comes to their face unlock features, but just under really quick comparison, they both are super duper fast. Now I've got to say the Pixel 4 XL feels a little bit faster, and that's because by default they don't actually have it where you have to swipe up to actually unlock your phone once you actually put your face up to it. And I'll be honest with you, that's not really a feature that I like. I like the idea of interacting with my device once it's actually unlocked, because I don't want to always unlock it. Maybe I want to read some of my notifications on my screen. However, like I said, the Pixel 4 XL unlock feature is really fast. And as far as the hand gesture controls, honestly, I don't really know. I haven't really tried them. Actually, let me pause this video and do that right now. I was really gonna sit here and say they don't work, but it's working like really good right now. I don't know, this is crazy. Okay, yeah, they work. I don't know exactly when I'd actually want to use these gestures. I think only the alarm clock one is kind of cool, but yeah, they work. And then there's Android 10. Now, I really like this Android operating system. It's super fast and snappy, and that's one thing that I love about the Pixel devices. It is pure, unadulterated Android operating system. No skins, no weird loaders or anything like that. That's one of the reasons I had to get rid of my Note 10 Plus. I just couldn't deal with Samsung skin that they put on the operating system, no matter how fast it is. But this version of Android, 2 big thumbs up. And then there's the real meat and potatoes, one of the real reasons why most people, or at least the real reason why I generally always get a Pixel device, and that is because of the camera. Now this camera on the Pixel 4 in comparison to my iPhone 11 Pro, to be honest with you, I mean, I haven't really done an in-depth comparison like I said, but at first glance it seems like both of the cameras all produce a really great image. Now the Pixel 4 does have that little Google magic with their post-processing, whether it might be in portrait mode or even whether it's regular HDR pictures. It just looks a tad bit better, but again, I'm gonna chalk that up to Google's post-processing. Because if I was to sit here and Photoshop every single one of my images that came off of a cheapo Android camera. But overall, first impressions of this phone are pretty positive. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, watching a lot of reviews on this phone kind of set my expectations really low. I really thought I wasn't gonna like it. But to be honest with you, aside from the fact that it's missing that 4K 60 in the video department, it has a number of other really great features that still make it a pretty great smartphone despite all of its shortcomings. Now I know I've said this before, but this time around I'm legitimately gonna try. I'm truly gonna try to switch over to Android, at least if only for a week. But until that time comes, that is gonna be it for me in this video. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Also, while you guys are down there, if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. Once again guys, my name is Fran. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.